Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at SPA or Sperax. It's been a while since I've covered this coin, and if there is any noise in the video, I'm sorry about that. Anyways, moving on. So let's see how the token has been doing so far. So if we look at its price action, at least on a Coinbase, it seems like that it has been in the uptrend ever since its launch on the Coinbase. As you can see here, it has been trying to make new higher high, as you can see here. So overall, we are not concerned about that, but if we look at its overall price action, it is not doing that well. Ever since its launch, it had a massive pump. As you can see, it went as high as 21 cent, and as of now it's trading barely around 1.5 cents. So that is a massive drop in the price in general. If we look at its peak or its all-time high back in 2025, so looking at recently and as of now, they are mostly focused on Optify, which is basically their new product that they have been at least putting a lot of energy in as of now. And they will also be launching SPA coin on Binance Smart Chain as well, so they have had that hype as well. So looking at this product that they are doing or they are working on, which is Optify, it is basically a smart system that manages users' money in a DeFi. So if you deposit money into their wallet, which is basically this one, so for some reason I can only see this one and I cannot even click it. It's in beta, so I think that is probably because of that. But if we look here, basically what it does, it maximizes profits by choosing the best strategy there is using the AI. So they are in the AI, so I think it's just a buzzword at this point. Anyways, it is a system that gets users more money from crypto without requiring to do anything tricky. So it will be interesting to see how secure it is going to be, considering how much exploits there are in DeFi. It is better to wait for this product to come out in a mainnet, and after that it could be something interesting as well. But they have a detailed roadmap. So in Q2 2025, as of now, they are working on foundational architecture and initial design. They will develop and start auditing smart contracts for security. So pretty basic stuff, but very important. After that, they will have 3 initial wars, but from the looks of it, as of now, they only have this one. And in Q2, they will also finalize the launch, as you can see here, and they will have a lot, as you can see. In Q4, they will even go cross-chain, so that's interesting. But overall, this seems like that most of the energies is on Optify. So it will be interesting to see if they will be able to deliver it or not. I'm not sure, but again, looking at their price, it doesn't seem like that many of their users are happy with that, because the price is going down from the looks of it. So if you know SPA, they also have their stablecoin, which is basically USDS, and this is how it looks like. So this is the market cap of the stablecoin, and ever since hitting its peak of the market, its peak around 25 million market cap, it is trading from November 2023, and as of now it's trading at 1.1 million market cap. But there is something very interesting. So if we look at the monthly activity of this coin, we had a massive surge in its demand. So the minting for this stable coin went from 1.1 million to as high as 1.18 million, as you can see, in just 1 month. So that is, I would say, a massive demand looking at its price action. So there's, I think, at least something positive that they have going on. And another bad news for the coin is that the SPA burned have gone down significantly. As you can see here, we had a massive burn in 2023, and in 2024 only 1.8, and as of now in halfway through the 2025 we only have around 300k SPA burn, so that is not a big amount. So I think the overall demand for the SPA coin is going down, so that's not good. But looking at its price, let's just try to find another pair which is easy. Okay, so I will just go with MEXC's pair, so I think that has more price history. Okay, so we are here. So this is how it looks like as of now. After hitting its peak around 24 cents, as you can see here, the coin has been low-key going in uptrend at least, so that's pretty good, I think. So if you look here, so this is a trend that we are looking at. So if we take from September 2023, the price is following this trend, which is uptrend, so that is pretty good. So but it seems like that it is trying to retest on this trend line. So as of now, what I'm looking at, if it wants to go up, so they have this big product that they are working on, and they also have Binance Smart Chain launch coming up. So I think there will be a news that can actually push the price higher. But before it can do that, I think the coin will most likely, the SPA token will most likely retest somewhere on this trend line. So what I'm looking at, I think if we just try to find a pretty good entry, if I'm interested in this coin, I think we will most likely see a retest somewhere around 9.92 cent. That's a possibility, or even we have support here somewhere, so it can actually so most likely I think we are heading towards 0.96 or at least below 1 cent, and I think that will happen, because if you look at this trend, it is going down. But if it does starts to go up from here, I think if we just try to open a daily chart, we may have a breakout at our hand. So if it can break out from this downtrend, which is happening ever since Feb 2025, so okay, so just a second. So if we do break out from here, we could be heading toward a new high, which may be higher than 4 cent, which is a possibility, but it is struggling at this point. So I think we are most likely heading towards 92 to 96 level. I think this is the best level to get into if you are planning to buy this coin as of now. So but they do have a massive update coming in, so I think that could be the catalyst that could actually pump this coin. But you have to know that the overall demand for the coin is not there. So looking at its total burn, the demand is not there, and looking at their stable coin, the demand is just not there. But somehow they are slowly getting some, as you can see, some attention on their stable coin as well, so that could be very interesting. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.